In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add products in Odoo using the demo6.odoo.com environment. This is a beginner-friendly, step-by-step tutorial that's perfect if you're new to Odoo or just getting started with inventory management. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the interface and create a new product correctly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and software guides. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and go to demo6.odoo.com. This is a demo database provided by Odoo, so it's a safe place to practice without affecting real data. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Odoo home screen. This is where you can see all the available apps installed in this database. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because this dashboard is where you'll start most tasks in Odoo. From the home screen, locate and click on the Inventory application. The Inventory app is where all product-related actions are managed, including creating, updating, and tracking products. After clicking on Inventory, you'll be taken to the Inventory dashboard, where you can see options like Operations, Reporting, and Configuration. Next, look for the Products menu. Click on Products to open the Products section. This will show you a list of existing products already available in the system. This list view is useful because it allows you to search, filter, and manage all products in one place. If you're working with a new database, you might see sample products here. Once you're on the Products page, click on Products again if required to make sure you're viewing the full product list. Odoo sometimes has nested menus, so this step ensures you're in the correct section where you can create a new product. Now, to add a new product, click on the New button located at the top of the products list. This will open the product creation form. This is where you'll enter all the important details about your product. Start by entering the product name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. From here, you can continue filling out additional details, such as product type, sales price, cost, and inventory settings, depending on your business needs. Even though this demo focuses on adding the product, it's good practice to review each field so you understand what information Odoo can track for you. Once you've entered the required information, you can save the product. After saving, your product will now appear in the products list and will be available for use in inventory operations, sales orders, and other Odoo apps depending on your configuration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add products in Odoo using the demo environment. This is a fundamental skill that you'll use often when managing inventory or setting up a new Odoo system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo tutorials and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.